Okay guys, so we are out here in the snow. It's about over a foot of snow have fallen. I'm gonna show my mom all of this, by the way, because I told her that if anything's open, I'll be out here. But honestly, I changed my mind. Also, there's snow drifts happening right now, and we have to go to the lake. It's gonna take us a very long time. And actually, this snow is still here, so no one have walked to this direction. I also have good shoes, so these shoes are really good, so I don't have to worry about any convenience. But yeah, no one have even walked outside because no one's supposed to be out here. But yeah, I'm gonna walk and talk. Yeah, some tree branches have fallen because of how much snow this is. This is heavy, wet snow, by the way. So yeah. We're not going to the lake anymore, bro. We're not going to the lake. It's more snow than we got last time. That's the crazy thing. It's like it's always getting bigger. I hope that we're gonna get 50 inches of snow soon, but that's like 4 feet of snow. About 4 feet. I don't know when that's gonna be. But yeah. Also, some people got thunder snow, so that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, we didn't get thunder snow. We haven't got thunder snow. Pretty sad about that. I hope school does not open tomorrow, because this is not gonna just take tomorrow for all this snow to disappear. I mean, look how much snow this is. This is gonna take a couple days for all this snow to just be gone. Especially there's no shoveling to happen yet. This snow's not gonna be gone until next day. Because they have to finish this blizzard. The blizzard has to finish for them to clear the streets up and clear the roads. And there's no shoveling over here, so this is what it looks like with no shoveling. Rarely anybody out here, and it's really all in 1 2 what blizzard conditions. So what you expect, no one's gonna be really out here. So yeah, like no one's really on the roads. Like the only one out here really, and it's kind of crazy. We have to walk out, so we're gonna do that right now. The lake can come next time. And look at this, we have these branches have fallen. This is data right here, so I'm gonna put this on YouTube. We're about to walk out in these conditions. Alright, so put the camera right here. Okay.